Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2006 Lexus ES 350 maintenance light reset. We are going to use that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. As you can see, oil maintenance required. And we're also going to be using this button over here. As you can see, this little button over here, and that's the only one that we're going to have to use. And right now we are on the ODO. Make sure it's on the trip A and go ahead and press that button to go find trip A, just like that. Now turn off your car. At the same time, press and hold this button and turn your car back on without starting. Give me a second. Press and hold. Turn your car back on without starting. And you should see the blinker running just like that. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.